Hi, I'm George with Sawblade.com. Today I'm going to talk about our Q501 IC structural bandsaw blade. The challenge of cutting structural steel are the sharp angles. Angle iron, channel, I-beam. This tooth configuration is designed to be able to pass through those angles without the vibration and without tooth strippage. That's what makes this blade different from all others. This blade is designed to work anywhere, whether you're a home shop, whether you're a fabricator, or a steel service center, high production environment, this is a blade to go to. This blade comes in many different widths. If you got a 3/4 inch up to a 2 5/8 inch blade. Whether you're vertical, whether you're horizontal, automatic, this blade is designed to work on any saw. If you order the blade today, we'll cut it, we'll grind it, we'll pack it, and we'll ship it today. If you're in the local market in Houston, we can get that blade to you today. So if you're looking for a great structural blade that's built to last, take a look at our Q501 IC bandsaw blade. I'm George at Sawblade.com. Thanks for watching, and remember, we are your competitive advantage.